I love a little Mustang talk. Love a little Mustang talk. What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Cari Beats back with a POV drive, as y'all can see. Hey, man, before I can say anything, bro, it's been a long time. It's been almost a month since I posted. I'm sorry. You feel me? I've been very, very busy. You know what I'm saying? This past month and some change, bro. Like, OD busy, bro. Like, no lie. You know what I'm saying? I had to just be like, man, let me just get a video, get something, man, some kind of update or something for my car crew, man. Cause boy, I can't be leaving y'all boy high and dry like that, bro. I'm gonna get back consistent, you feel me? But it been a lot, cuz like it been a whole lot going on in a nigga life, you know what I'm saying? Good things, you know what I'm saying? Not nothing bad. Just been a lot of what it is, rearranging, redirecting, and you feel me, just elevating and all that good stuff, man. You feel me? But I ain't gonna get too deep into it. But just know, man, your boy been working. Your boy been working behind the scenes, man. Been a lot going on. But anyway, man, make sure you hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. You feel me? I'm finna get back consistent. You know what I'm saying? Y'all gonna start seeing a lot more people on the channel, a lot more different cars, just different kind of content, different kind of something a little more exciting. You know what I'm saying? POV will all be exciting depending on what I'm doing. But you feel me? Y'all just gonna get a little bit more taste, man. A little bit better taste, a little bit of quality. You know what I mean? But ain't that hurt? But yeah, man, car crew. I just came in here just to really talk to y'all boys. A little POV drive, man, through the city. Nothing crazy. Probably give y'all boys a little downshifts, stuff like that. Going sport mode. You feel me? I don't really be in sport mode like that. We'll see. We'll be in that I almost said sport mode today, you know what I'm saying? I'm a little rusty, so y'all boy get on my case, man. I'm a little rusty. How y'all boy been, old car crew, man? Long time no see, you know what I'm saying? I know y'all boy a lot that happened in the month. So what y'all boy been on? Who got a new whip? You know what I'm saying? What whip you got? You feel me? You know what I'm saying? What you been going on, man? Hopefully y'all been blessed. You know what I'm saying? Everything been going smooth for the most part. I ain't look at that boy Cam. But yeah, hopefully everything been going smooth for y'all boy, man. Oh yeah. I ain't got the, what are you doing? Y'all see him, bro? Like, what are you doing, cuz? Yeah, I ain't got the flame tune on today, man. We riding regular. Oh yeah. I gonna skate right there. City POV, man. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy. Nothing too crazy, car crew, man. Hold on. Just let y'all really just let y'all listen to the car, you feel me? I know y'all boy miss him. Stick 'em. Echo go crazy. That mother clean. Sorry, car crew, for being so quiet, you feel me? I'm just letting y'all boy. This look.
Please! Jesus Christ.
Dang, I ain't see that car right there. My fault, cuz. I looked in my mirror, I ain't see that bitch. That's my fault. My fault, cuz. I ain't gonna stick my hand out and wave at you now, that too late. I know I messed up, but that's my fault. Hey, them boy trying to hit me. No, I'm straight. In the hit me, ugly. But no, I'm good. My fault, little kid soul, man. I mean, it was enough room for me to do it. I just ain't see you. I don't care what you beat. Oh, they just got it. My fault. You know how folks say it with a paper tag, but a nigga can't. Nigga fart. What it is? Fart for breeze and Boo Boo Rainbow, and they got a paper tag. Cause can't tell a nigga nothing with a paper tag. Nigga be having paper tag with a car that's 2002. Still some act like they jumped on stink, boy. That nigga don't want to care about your paper tag, nigga. I'm finna get on your ass, boy. Oh yeah. I love a little Mustang talk. I love a little Mustang talk. Love a little Mustang talk. Where you at? Where you at, bud? I ain't never seen a half camo. I ain't never seen a half camo wrap from the back to the front. that boy, that's totally different. Why y'all two valve nigga love putting a Shelby snake on y'all grill, bro? Whole time that bitch be just a 4.6. But y'all nigga wanna talk about up badge. Look at him. I ain't never seen a burgundy one. It clean, besides you take the... Look at cuz, look at her. How you gonna roll the 109 now, bitch? It's too late trying to roll the 109 now. Oh yeah. Oil change soon. Damn. Not me cutting up in traffic with a little stain, little 2V. Nigga got a geometric map on that bit. But nah. I ain't never seen a maroon one though. I ain't gonna cap. But yeah, car crew, man. But yeah, car crew. Also, I had to give me another tire. Cause my tire was wearing out on the inside. I guess because the tire was just getting old anyway. I had got an alignment, but I got an alignment with old tires, with the tires I had, you know what I'm saying, before I got an alignment. So I guess doing that kind of, you know what I'm saying, backfired on me, you feel me? But anyway, yeah. Hey, well, nigga young and good. Oh, I'm gonna be trying to take a nap. But yeah, yeah, they gotta get a new tire, man, you know what I'm saying? I gotta get another one out for the right one so you can, you know what I'm saying, match the left one. But for the time being, I just got that tire because I needed one. The other tire ain't showing no wire or nothing. Just, feel me? Just needed to match the other one. Dang. Hold on, Liv. Slow your roll, shawty. Slow your roll, shawty. Man, can one of y'all do something, man? Can one of y'all Negroes do something? Which is getting out my way. Cause why is there so much traffic right here? And the street like way down there. I ain't never seen nothing like it. I ain't, boy. Y'all nigga go home. Damn. Like, just go home, cuz. Man, if you ain't got no scat, nigga, get out the road, nigga. Look at that. Like, yeah. Damn. Can y'all please, bro? Y'all killing me. Y'all kill. Oh my goodness. Bro, y'all finna blow me, cuz. Ah, hey, man. Y'all messing up the video. My bad, car crew, bro. We was just having fun with the stain back there. And these niggas just being lame, cuz. Dang, all y'all just everyday driver, bro. They need to start, like, just giving niggas, like, city buses for work. Every job got a city bus. Pick up everybody up at one time. There ain't nothing but city buses on the road till niggas get off. Cause, boy, y'all nigga, boy, good lord. Sit down somewhere. Y'all niggas don't even be going nowhere. They be nigga riding just like this on a quarter tank of gas. Quarter to eat. Just riding. For no reason. Ain't even got gas in the car. You just riding. What's going on, man? Look at that. Let me chill out. Oh, hold on. Been a while since y'all heard Olivia, you know what I'm saying, with just, you feel me, with just like no pop, just all natural. Been a minute since y'all heard Olivia all natural, man. My fault for holding the camera funny too, bro. I be looking ahead of me, like actually looking with my eyes instead of looking through the camera with y'all, boy. I got to. If I look through the camera, it ain't gonna be a pretty picture, you know what I mean? Oh, boy. But yeah, man, y'all, I be telling y'all to comment down below what videos y'all would like to see. Y'all never do it. I'm just gonna start telling y'all. Y'all free. Y'all got free will to do it. Y'all want to. I ain't gotta keep telling y'all, man. Y'all just, you feel me? If you want whatever video idea come to your mind, comment it, bro. Me telling y'all don't do it, I think it'd be opposite day with y'all niggas. Don't comment. Yeah. Don't comment nothing. I don't want to see nothing. Damn, comment and comment shit. You better not comment, nigga. Don't tell me what to do. Look at that. Only gave y'all boy one sticker. I need to pull over and end this video. It ain't nothing but traffic down that way. Ain't nothing but traffic down that way, cuz. But yeah, man. Y'all boys, don't comment down below, you know what I'm saying, what kind of videos you like to see, you know what I'm saying? Just be quiet, look at that. But, also, man, it's gonna be a wrap for today's video, like I said, man. Make sure y'all boy hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you already new. And for all my new people watching right now, man, hit that subscribe button, cause you won't be disappointed. I just be disappointed right now, cause I ain't been posting in a minute, you know what I'm saying? But POV is always gonna be POV, and I give y'all boys a little outside view. You know what I'm saying, for the video over with. For anybody new watching, she dirty right now, so, you know what I'm saying, not too much on Olivia, you know what I'm saying. This is Olivia right here. You feel me, I ain't gonna show y'all boy too much, but this Olivia right here, you know what I'm saying, satin black thing. She dirty right now, been road running, you know what I'm saying, been road running. But we're gonna get that cleaned up. You feel me, I might do that today. It ain't too hot right now. Might go ahead and wash her up today. You know what I'm saying? Something quick, something slight. But y'all see that menacing, you know what I'm saying, Olivia. But anyway, man, make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that subscribe button if you are new. Turn on post notification bell so you won't miss another banger from me. No, my rap trying to come up. I'm gonna get right with that. But yeah, man, make sure y'all boy hit that like button. And for all my religious folk, man, keep God first, keep him in the midst, man. Stay prayed up in everything that you do. You know what I'm saying? Keep him first. Feel me? To keep God first, man. And and be obedient and have that trust and have that faith in them, man. You know what I'm saying? Try to do the right thing and be that right person. It ain't easy. I'm not saying it's easy. I ain't saying I'm better than nobody else because I'm definitely not. You feel me? But I'm just encouraging y'all to, you know what I'm saying, chase that way, follow that path, you feel me? And trust in them and ask them for their guidance, you know what I'm saying? Let them lead you. For all my religious folk, man. But like I also say, man, at the end of my videos, I'm out of here like yesterday. Peace.